Hello, welcome back to my tutorial for the full stack developer series. So in this video we will continue with the inheritance in Hibernate. So this is the last way for the inheritance called mapped superclass. So before we jump into the Java code, we first take a look on the SQL code. You can see here we have just two tables. So we won't create the table for employee for the entity employees in the Java code because we will use the mapped superclass annotation for the employee. So we don't need to create a table for it. And yeah, we just have some separated tables for the database. We have the regular employees and the contract employee with some common fields like the ID and the name here. And you can see here we don't have the for agent key here, so we won't create a zone when we create a query. So that's why this method can make the performance more fast, more better. Okay. All right. So this is the database. Just very simple, right? And let's go to the Java code. It's also very simple to implement. Just let's go to the employees class first, and for this we because now this is not linking to a real table in a database, so we won't add the entity and the table for it, and also the inheritance here we don't need to use it. Just clear all the thing, and we put the annotation name mapped superclass here. Just one annotation for this, and we also keep the ID in the column here because you know, even we don't have any table name employee for this class, but because this class is a parent class for the order for the children, so we you see we in the order children class like regular employee and contract employee, because it's inherited from the employee, so it also needs the ID column for it, because now we use the ID column inside of it as a field. Okay, but we will clear the remove the generated value here because we doesn't have any real field for this class. All right, very simple. And yeah, that's it for the employee. And go to the regular employee. Now we just remove the primary key zone column here because now we don't use the third way, right? So just clear it. And yeah, that's finished. Just go to the contract employee again also, and just removed. All right, I think that's finished. Very simple, right? Very simple for the configuration of this way. Very simple. And just go to the app, and don't forget to run the SQL script first. Okay, run until you see on the green ticks here. Run it. Yeah. And for the code you can check it in the description. I put the link below. Let's run it. Alright, now we see I have the same results for this, the regular employees with 2 records here, right? So just do more testing for this. I will change it to the contract employee, and here I get a contract employee here, and let's run it again to see. So the correct result here is just 1 record for the name tree. Alright, we have a perfect result here for the name tree with the extract field for the construct employee. Okay, so this tutorial is very simple, right? So for this way, we just config very less, right? Very. Okay, so I think that's it for this video, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe the channel. And if you have any question, please comment below. I will answer for you. Alright, thank you and see you in the next video.